Hi babe, welcome or welcome back to Chi Hair Diaries. Today I will be showing you how to braid those double hats braid design. So I have a line running down the middle. This is going to be in the middle of the hat. So place it where you have space on the left and right hand side for your hat to fit in. So I am going to start carving out the shape of half of the heart just like this. Sometimes you might need to play with it a little bit more. Sometimes you might get lucky and just get it on your first trial, but it can go both ways. And now I am going to carve out the top side, making sure it is rounded enough to my satisfaction. You can make your heart to look whichever way you have. It can look like short and fat and plumpy. It can look like slender and longish. Just do whatever you like. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the, yeah, you can see I didn't start perfectly here, right? I'm going to correct that, but I'm trying to recreate the same shape on the right hand side, and you're just going to play with it until you are satisfied with the shape. To be able to see the shape of both hats, hold the two parts together into the middle. You're going to see the outline of the hats for you to know if the shape is okay for braiding or you need to play with it more. So now I am making a section for the outer braid, and you know let's say if I'm working with about half an inch, so you make the section to be half an inch all the way around. So that's for the thickness of the section of that hair. And when you are done, you're going to braid it all the way. Start from um the line where I start making my heart is from the middle of the heart. So this braid, if you start braiding this section I am braiding now a little bit towards the top of the heart, it is going to give it a different look. So I try to dip in the middle of the heart from the middle of the heart so that it's going to have that very nice heart shape. You understand when you start making it, but it's going to give you a different look if the middle of the heart braid starts towards the top section of the heart. That's the mistake many people make, that make their heart look funny. So try to dip in the middle, but don't go all the way to the bottom of the heart. So I found out that around the middle of the heart gives me like the best heart shape ever. So for this heart braid, you are going to repeat the same thing just like this on the other side, and you can use this design on any type of hairstyle you are making. You're just going to incorporate it into the braid. So if you have this on the side, you can let the braid dangle down the sides of the face. You can incorporate it into like a straight back, um into like a braided ponytail. I actually made a braided ponytail with this hairstyle, and at the end of this video, you're going to see a very short clip showing you the braided ponytail I made. If you're interested in that video, it will be uploaded around the same time this one is uploaded on my channel. So just a few days difference, you can just check it out. And if I remember, I will link it at the end of this video for you to watch. But we are repeating what we've done already. I'm going to let you watch. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this. And if you have a friend that wears a heart on her sleeve, just someone who likes braid designs or like heart shape, you can just send this video to her as a token of your friendship. Enjoy.